Refining layouts can take some time. It depends on your experience and your amount of work on your project. So let's get started. Before I do that, you noticed I changed some fonts and sizes. You already learned how to do that. So let's just select this one, and I'm not happy with the space between these two, so let's double click and go to character. If it's not showing, you can go to window and choose character. It will show. On this right here, you can make them closer, so that's good. And I'll put it on the right alignment and maybe move it a little bit. What about the spacing here and here? Well, let's put this on right alignment as well. And I'll use rulers to, okay, now they're both even and equal in spacing, so that's good. Maybe put this a little bit down because of the hair. That's good. Or maybe you want to put this with the same angle with the pillow. So when you click this or select this layer, Control T, when this curved arrow comes out, you can rotate it easily. So maybe something like this. Depends on your preference. So yeah, that looks good. Maybe something in here inside the box. Let's do that. Now I want a color. Maybe let's just use this eyedropper, and maybe this gray right here, and then hit U letter on the keyboard, and you can draw a rectangle with that color that you selected. Maybe just Control T, maybe something like this. Or maybe you want to change its color. Now since it's not showing the edge of the poster, you can change to dark gray so you can see where it ends, and maybe try to insert something saying free. Oops, let's change the font or the color, I mean. Free invitation. No, it's not showing. There it is. It's in white. And here's a mistake. Why is not showing? Because I need to put that layer above the rectangle. Wait, let's do that again. You see this blue small bar when it comes out? Okay, now it works. Or maybe you can Control T. Nope, not this one. Select this layer and Control T. Maybe you should do that. Or if it's too big, you can make it smaller. Just anything. You can feel free to be creative, to do anything.